Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to read values from property file using Spring Framework. Spring Framework provides annotations to read property values from the file. So I've written a very simple code. Let's look at the Java config property file. Properties with Java config file. So this is the file I've written. This is equal to an XML file. So prior to Spring 3, we were using a Spring configuration XML file. So this Java file is equal to an XML file. So configuration means this. I'm informing Spring that this is my configuration file, and property source, this is very important. This is from Spring Framework, and this will take care of reading the properties file from the class path. And my property file is mockdatabase.properties. I just want to show you there are 4 properties currently it has. So URL, username, password, and driver class name. So I'm just giving here the property source and my property name. Okay, then I want to read only these 3 values in my configuration class. So I have mentioned the key here. Okay, so when I load this class, when the Spring container register all the beans, actually it will try to inject all these values. So the main responsibility for property sources placeholder configurer, this is a main class which takes the responsibility to read the property file, mock database property file, and inject all the values to these variables. Okay, so if I comment this, what will happen? From this property files, the values won't be injected, will not be injected. When I have this bean takes care of injecting values from here to these variables. Okay, and I started using these values, the injected values, in a different class, that is mock data source. Just getters and setters I have. Okay, so let me run this program so you can understand so how exactly it's loading from the property file. So I'm going to start this application, and it's going to load the property with Java config file, and it will register all the beans. Apart from that, it will also inject the values from property file, that is mock database.properties file. So if you see here, already our values are injected. Can you see here? Yes, DB URL is injected, username is injected, then password is injected. These values were injected by, very important, property sources placeholder configurer class. It plays an important role reading from here and here. Okay, so then we started using these values, and we are just printing it out. Okay, so this is how you can read values from the property file using Java annotations. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.